Code to the Future, a tale about a programmer named Alex who develops software that predicts future events. Late one night, in his cluttered home office, Alex discovers a startling pattern while testing his new predictive algorithm. The software is predicting minor real-world events with eerie accuracy. Energized by his discovery, he presents a prototype at a team meeting in the sleek startup office where he works, impressing his colleagues with a live prediction of a small, local event. The software's first major public test comes when it accurately predicts a street performer's sudden rise in popularity. Alex, blending into the crowd, witnesses as reality mirrors his software's prediction, confirming its potential. Despite the success, he retreats to a quiet park to grapple with the ethical implications of his invention, questioning whether the world can be trusted with such a powerful tool. Back at his office, the software makes a terrifying prediction: a massive natural disaster. The weight of the impending crisis bears down on him as he scrambles to alert the authorities. Met with skepticism when he presents his case at a government office, Alex passionately argues for action, laying out his undeniable proof. With the disaster mere hours away, he coordinates with emergency services at the city's Emergency Operations Center, where every second counts as they deploy resources based on his predictions. The disaster is narrowly averted, and as dawn breaks over the city, Alex stands on a rooftop overlooking the calm skyline, reflecting on the future of his software and the new responsibility he holds.